Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on another planet? Rest now, rest now. Billie has a bedtime story just for you. It's time to rest your atoms. It's been a big day and rest time is overdue. Our hero is Billie Adams and he lives in outer space. Let's hear about his travels through the galaxies promoting kindness and grace. Rest now, and join Billie Adams on his mission to discover all the kindness and wonder in our universe we will uncover. It is through your atoms that are shared by all the universe that we will find a connection between everything on Earth. He will take us on adventures and explore sights unseen. So let's listen to Billie Adams and inspire our atoms to dream. So rest now, get comfortable, breathe in and breathe out. We will hear about Billie's adventures and find wonder, no doubt. Let's fly with Billie Adams to explore the stars. Soaring high above, let's remind ourselves who we are. Let's share kindness with everyone that we meet, because when we show kindness, the world is really neat. So settle down now and get comfortable. Find a soft pillow and rest your head. Close your eyes and dream of adventures to come. Your atoms need rest, and tomorrow there's more fun. Billie Adams was on a mission, an extraordinary mission to explore the planet Mars. He packed all his gear he would need for his journey and launched himself into space with enthusiasm and excitement at what he might discover. As Billie approached Mars, his breath was taken away by its beauty, the red hue of its rocky terrain and the distant mountains stretching far into the horizon made it seem almost unrecognizable from Earth. Billie Adams opened his eyes and was able to see the beautiful planet Mars in all its glory. He took a few moments to take it all in. Looking up at the night sky, he could see the stars twinkling brightly as they do back on Earth. But what really caught Billie's eye was how different Mars looked from Earth. It had red dust everywhere, as if there were never any rain or clouds to wash away the dirt and make everything look fresh again. He was amazed to see that Mars had a few similarities to Earth. Both planets have canyons and craters and volcanoes formed by erosion over time. But there are also some remarkable differences, such as an atmosphere, which is mostly composed of carbon dioxide. Billie couldn't believe his eyes as he set foot on Mars. Everywhere he looked, the landscape was filled with fascinating rocks and mountains, some of them reaching to heights he had never seen before. He slowly wandered through the terrain, and he noticed something else. The stars were brighter than ever and in a whole new way. From this vantage point, Billie could see 5 planets from this very spot. Mercury, Venus, Earth, which was especially breathtaking, Jupiter and Saturn, all visible in the Martian sky at the same time. As he explored the planet, Billie couldn't help but ponder mankind's connection to Mars and its potential for humanity. He thought about what it would be like to see Earth from this vantage point and of all the possibilities that could come from mankind settling on Mars in the future. The idea of mankind coming together to explore and create on Mars filled Billie with a sense of hope and belonging. He thought about people all around the world from many different backgrounds and cultures working together in kindness for something so much bigger than themselves. He imagined mankind living side by side on Mars one day, exploring what the planet had to offer and finding a way to make it their own. He watched as the stars twinkled in the night sky. His mind began to drift into relaxation, and he felt himself becoming increasingly relaxed and happy. He imagined images of mankind living in harmony on Mars and smiled to himself as he thought about it. This made him think about mankind's connection with this faraway place, and because even though we are far apart, mankind is still capable of exploring and getting to know our universe better than ever before. He thought about the potential of having a base on Mars in the future and all the incredible things mankind could do when we are connected to such an amazing planet. Billie looked out onto Mars, imagining what his home looked like from so far away. He thought about how Earth is just one small speck in the vast universe, yet mankind has been able to make our world into something special. He started to drift off. He took some deep breaths in and out, practicing star breathing as his mother had taught him. He counted each breath inward, breathing in, and outward, breathing out. He felt himself relaxing more and more until finally he was fast asleep, dreaming about mankind's connection with Mars and what the future may bring. Do you want to do some star breathing with Billie? Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let yourself drift away into a peaceful sleep as you imagine yourself under the night sky full of stars. Let yourself be mesmerized by their beauty and focus on one star in particular. Take your time to observe it closely, focusing on its shape and its color. See how many points it has? Imagine tracing the point of each star with your finger as if they were part of a map. Now switch hands and trace them again, counting each point until you reach the end. Keep breathing deeply. Notice how relaxed it makes you feel. Continue to observe the star until you feel completely relaxed and at peace. Let the points of the star guide you into a deep sleep. Let go of any tension in your body and enjoy this peaceful moment under the night sky. Rest now. It's been a big day and your atoms need rest so you can enjoy everything you love to do. Good night.